Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6a, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and in here you should find somewhere hotspot toggle. Now if you don't see it on any page, kind of like I don't, tap on this pencil right here, and you can see that it is right here, at least it is for me. Once you find yours somewhere below, hold it and then drag it to the top, drop it, and then you can go back and your hotspot toggle should be now accessible somewhere in the toggles. For me it's right here, it's kind of where I dropped it, so there we go. Now before you tap on it, you do want to hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize primarily things like the password, which is by default randomly generated and honestly has a little bit more than 8 characters. It's not easy to write or remember, so I recommend removing it. Now, a new password has to have at least 8 characters in length, and you can save it from there. Now we do have a couple other settings right here, like hotspot name, turn off hotspot automatically, extend compatibility. So this will, I believe, enable 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, while with it off it's probably using only 5 gigahertz. So if whatever device you want to connect to your hotspot with simply doesn't see your hotspot, and all you need to do is just enable this, it will add a 2.4 gigahertz and should function no problem from there. And I do recommend keeping this on, turn off hotspot automatically. That will ensure that once you're done using your hotspot and you forget to turn it off, it will do it on its own. The reason why I recommend doing that is because hotspot does consume more battery. So once you're done with it, it will turn it off automatically and you don't have to remember it, and your battery doesn't need to be drained for no reason. Anyway, once you went to the settings here, find the toggle once more, tap on it to turn it on whenever you want to use it. Now you can also turn it off yourself once you're done with it by tapping on a toggle once again, and obviously this will turn it off. So anyway, this is how you can set up and use your hotspot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.